bike where if you started nosediving, you could just turn your hands up.
It's got it.
What I do, I give one compression down.
Yep, do that and then just start kicking it.
See what we got.
No gas. Try not to hit the throttle. Got the fucking Mototech Coues looking good. Fresh seat wrap.
Just boom. Start cooking.
15 bucks. I ain't spending any more. Try not to hit the gas. What was that noise? Is it hard with the boots? Well, thank God you had the boots.
It's different for me compared to like how I'm used to it without them.
If you need to get different shoes on to do it, then you might.
What the fuck? It's so hard.
It's heavy. The boots are heavy.
I'm not like hitting the kick. Well, if I'm hitting this is an angled ride, huh? We were supposed to put that maybe a little more.
I don't know. Let's see where it's at.
If it's smacking this.
Is it going through a full stroke of the thing? Cowie's running, fresh top and bottom rebuild. Zach's gonna take it for his first spin. Give it extra gas, Zach. Extra. Don't let it stall. Extra. Try to do a wheelie almost. Yeah. 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 Pick that thing.